Moving heavy furniture can be a nightmare without the right tools. But the 2,000-pound capacity heavy-duty furniture movers with Wheels and Moving Dolly Set makes that challenge a thing of the past. This upgraded set is built tough and smart. Each dolly now features 5 wheels instead of the usual 4, offering better balance and support. The steel plate underneath has been reinforced for added strength. The soft rubber wheels are gentle on hardwood, tile, or laminate flooring. No scratches, no scuffs. A single dolly supports up to 500 pounds, but when 4 are used together, they can handle up to 2,000 pounds, roughly the weight of a small car. That's serious strength for serious moving. One of the best features of this system is how easy it makes moving large, awkward items. It works by using the principle of leverage. You start by using the included pry bar to lift a corner of your furniture. Then, you slide one of the dollies underneath. Repeat this on all 4 corners, and suddenly, what seemed impossible is now easy to move. From sofas and refrigerators to pianos, safes, and workshop equipment, this system handles it all. It's a game changer for people doing renovations, deep cleans, or interior rearrangements, all without calling in extra help. Even a single person can get the job done with confidence. Safety isn't an afterthought here. It's built into every detail. As people age, lifting heavy furniture becomes risky. But with this tool set, you reduce the risk of back injuries or strain. It allows couples or individuals to work efficiently without hurting themselves. The dollies have a 5-wheel layout, including a center wheel that distributes weight evenly. Each wheel has double-layer bearings, so movement is fluid and controlled. The L-shaped fixed edge keeps your load in place, while 2 of the wheels have locking brakes, helpful when you need to pause and reposition. This set includes everything needed to get started. 4 compact dollies, each measuring 6.9 inches by 6.9 inches, 1 strong pry bar for lifting, 4 height spacers to adjust for different base heights, and a pair of durable work gloves for extra grip and protection. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or DIY enthusiast, this upgraded mover kit offers a smart, reliable solution for heavy lifting. It's efficient, safe, and built to last, making it a must-have tool for any serious move or home project.